Yeah, this is za. Okay, look like a ra, but here is the dot on top. This is the sister of za. Okay, ra and za both are the sisters. Like you, Shkri and Aisha, both are you the sister. Okay, so this is also sister of ra. With the ra is without dot, and za is with dot on top. Got it? Yeah, this is za. It will read with force. Za, za. And this one, seen. Yeah, seen. Seen like a whistle sound, okay? Seen. And this one is what? With three dots on top. This is the sister of seen. The name of this letter in yellow color, sheen. What is it? Sheen. Say, stretch it. Yeah, this one in brown color, it's seen. And this one, sheen. Look at the screen. Sheen. And this one, sod. Yeah, sod. In the end of sod, pronounce the dal sound. Okay, this dal sound you will pronounce in the end of sod. Okay, and sod sound look like a English word saw. SAW, saw. I saw you yesterday in park. Okay, so read sod. Sod. Yeah, in the end of sod, you can see here on the top, this is the sound. Okay, the sound is the top one, not the bottom, the down one. Okay, not this is sound. The sound is, you will pronounce the top one. Let me, yeah, this one. This is the sound and this is the letter name. Okay, you will pronounce this sound, and in the end of sod, you can see here dal, this dal. So pronounce the dal in the end. Sod. And this one is what? This is also sister of sod, and the sound is dod. Yeah, here is the dot on top like a za. Za, sister of ra. Ra not have any dot. Okay, she not has. This is ra and this is za. Za has dot and ra comes without dot. And same like here, seen comes without dot and sheen has